Planning a big trip, maybe with family, friends, or even across continents, but worried plans might change? Travel insurance with cancel for any reason can be the difference between losing thousands and getting your peace of mind back. Today, we're breaking down the best options so you can travel without second thoughts. Let's start with the standout for group travelers, Seven Corners Insurance. This option is ideal if you're planning a trip with friends, coworkers, or large families. It covers medical emergencies, evacuation, accident, and sickness expenses, and even protects your luggage if it's lost, stolen, delayed, or damaged. Yet. What really sets Seven Corners apart is its group plan. Designed for 10 or more travelers, you get trip expense protection, political or security evacuation, 24/7 multilingual assistance, and more. And the best part? The cost is surprisingly budget friendly, averaging around $52 with cancel for any reason included. Next up is Travel X Insurance, perfect if you're traveling with kids. This plan automatically covers children 17 and under when added to the application. No extra hassle. It includes up to $50,000 in emergency medical coverage, trip cancellation up to 48 hours before departure, and compensation for delays over 5 hours, up to $2,000 per passenger. Families also get protection for missed flights, dental emergencies, and unexpected trip interruptions. The price averages around $600 for cancel for any reason coverage, but the family-focused benefits make it worth considering. If your plans take you abroad, especially multiple countries, world trips, insurance is a strong pick for global travelers. Their Atlas plan lets you customize your deductible, coverage term, and total coverage. You can even add gadget protection if your trip starts or ends in the US. Benefits include up to $1 million for emergency evacuation, $10,000 for trip interruption, $25,000 for personal liability, and COVID-related medical coverage. On average, this plan comes in around $513. So, which one stands out the most? Seven Corners Insurance takes a top spot. It's affordable, flexible, and ideal for groups. Plus, it offers a wide range of protections without overwhelming your budget. Whether you're planning a reunion, a tour, or a destination celebration, it gives you the freedom to change plans without the stress. Prices and coverage can change over time, so always double check before you buy. If you're interested in any of these plans, the links are waiting for you in the description. Thanks for watching, and if you want more guides that save you time, money, and headaches while traveling, stick around. We've got plenty more coming your way.